Hey, Pomp Podcast listeners, it seems like just yesterday we were navigating the crypto winter, but hold on tight because the bull market of 2025 is upon us. The crypto market is poised for explosive growth, and for those ready to seize the opportunity, the potential to make life-changing wealth is very real. This isn't just some pipe dream, folks. We've seen this story before. Bitcoin in 2017, Ethereum in 2021, and history is about to repeat itself. The signs are everywhere, from favorable regulatory changes to a surge in institutional investment. This time around, the wave is even bigger, and the potential rewards are even greater. Over the next few sections, we'll break down everything you need to know to navigate this exciting landscape. We'll dive deep into the market forces driving this bull run, explore proven investment strategies, and arm you with the knowledge to manage risk and come out ahead. So buckle up, get ready to ride the wave, and let's explore how you can position yourself to potentially make millions in the 2025 crypto bull run. Let's take a look at the perfect storm brewing in the market, setting the stage for an epic bull run. The Federal Reserve is potentially slashing interest rates. This means more money flowing into the market. Good times for crypto. Then there's the ETF frenzy. Spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Opening the floodgates for institutional investors. The ETF party is just getting started. Approvals for altcoin ETFs, with Solana leading. The global economy is showing signs of life. A more crypto-friendly regulatory environment. Trump's promise to make America the crypto capital, paving the way for more innovation and investment. The future of crypto is brighter than ever. Let's talk about how you can capitalize on this incredible opportunity. The first strategy is hodling. Hold on for dear life has made countless people rich. Diversification is key. Invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and promising altcoins. Think of it like a balanced breakfast. Early investment is where fortunes are made. Imagine getting in on Bitcoin at $100. The opportunity to get in early still exists. Look for promising projects in their early stages. Do your research and trust your gut. Investing isn't just about chasing meme coins. Understand the fundamentals. Focus on projects solving real-world problems. Think of it like investing in a company. Section 4. Navigating the minefield risk management in a volatile market. Now before you go all in on the next Dogecoin, let's talk about risk management. Crypto is a volatile market, and what goes up can come down, at least in the short term. Don't let those gains get wiped out by a sudden dip. Set stop-loss orders to automatically sell your holdings if the price drops below a certain threshold. Remember that diversification we talked about? It's not just about maximizing gains, it's also about minimizing losses. By spreading your investments across different assets, you're less likely to be wiped out by a single bad bet. Think of it like this. If you put all your money on one horse in a race, you're in for a rough ride if that horse stumbles, and never ever invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto can be incredibly lucrative, but it's also risky. Treat it like playing poker. Only bet what you're comfortable losing. The crypto market is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get caught up in the hype and FOMO or fear of missing out. Take your time, do your research, and make informed decisions. Section 5. Case studies, learning from past champions. Let's take a trip down memory lane and learn from the past. Remember the Bitcoin boom of 2017? Or how about Ethereum's meteoric rise in 2021? These weren't flukes, folks. They were the result of technological innovation, growing adoption, and yes, a healthy dose of speculation. Take Bitcoin, for example. From a fringe digital currency to a global phenomenon, Bitcoin has made countless millionaires. Those who recognized its potential early on and held on for the ride were rewarded handsomely. Then there's Ethereum, the platform that revolutionized the blockchain space with smart contracts and decentralized applications. And let's not forget about Solana, the high-performance blockchain that's giving Ethereum a run for its money. Early investors in Solana have seen their investments skyrocket, proving that there are still opportunities to get in on the ground floor of the next big thing. These case studies teach us valuable lessons about the importance of timing, research, and conviction. They show that while there are risks inherent in any investment, those who can stomach the volatility and hold on for the long haul are often rewarded generously. Disclaimer. This essay is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves significant risks, and you should conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The information provided is current as of January 9, 2025, and market conditions can change rapidly.